and welcome everyone. Me DR Basnet. Today in this video we are going to learn about the models of computer network. Before starting this video, I would like to request all the viewers to watch the video till the end and also request them to like and subscribe this video so that they can get the notification for upcoming videos. Thank you. Let's start. Before starting the video, I would like to discuss some of the terms used inside the video. Number 1, server. A server is a computer that holds enormous power and provides services to all other devices connected to it. Number 2, client. A client is a computer that is connected to the server directly or indirectly and use services from the server. Number 3, resources. Resources are the computers and other devices connected within the network. For example, printers, scanners, computers, etc. So after this, let's get started. Models of network. Model refers to how computers are organized in a system and how tasks are allocated between these computers. Two of the most widely used types of network models are: number 1, client-server or server-based model. Number 2, peer-to-peer model. In the next section, let's discuss them one by one. Now let's discuss about client-server network. Client-server model is a distributed application structure in which there will be one or more server that will provide service and share resources to the requesters, which are called as clients. The server runs one or more programs inside them and share its contents and resources to the clients. In other side, clients use services and resources sent by the server. In this network, clients starts the communication sessions with the server and communicate over separate hardware, but both of them reside in the same system. For example, World Wide Web and email is the example of client-server model. Now here, let's discuss about the diagram of client-server network. As you can see in the diagram, there are different devices connected with each other with a device called switch. There are two servers at the top, namely directory server and file server. These two servers provide services and resources to the devices which are connected to this network. The rest of the devices which are connected here in this diagram are referred to as client. Now let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages of client-server network. First, advantages. Number 1, in client-server network, the system is centralized to server, means The whole system is controlled by the server, so it is easy to manage the system. Number two, the backup system is centralized to the server. It means that server only keeps the backup of programs and softwares. Number three, server controls the security system, so it is highly secure. The whole security system of client's computer in the network is controlled by the server. Therefore, it is highly secure to be used. Number four, it gives high performance and is reliable. So these are the advantages of client-server network. Now let's look on to the disadvantages. Number one, the system needs more administration. Since the network system is large, so we need more people and administration to look after the system. So this is the disadvantage of client-server network. Number two, it is more expensive. Number three, it requires more hardware. Number four, failure of server breaks down the entire services of the clients in the network. It means that if the main server that provides services to the client's computer breaks down, the whole network will stop running. So these are the disadvantages of client-server network. Now let's discuss about peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer model. All devices are equal here and connected with each other with a server. It means that in this model, all the devices have equal opportunity, and these all devices are connected with the main server. Each computer acts as both a server and a client. In this case, all the computers which are connected in the network acts both as the server and client. Means there is no server and there is no client. Number two, each computer has an equal opportunity to access the service and resources. It means that the computer connected in peer-to-peer network has equal opportunity to use the service and resources that is provided by the main server. Number three, each computer serves its file and is responsible for its own security and backups. In this system, the security and the backup system is the responsibility of each computer that are connected in this model. Number four, they are often used in home to share files between the devices. Now here, let's see the diagram of peer-to-peer network. As in the diagram, you can see there are four computers connected with each other, and you can also see a main signal coming from this top computer and distributed among these 3 computers. So this top is the main server which is providing services to 3 of these computer devices, and you can see the signal is divided into 3 parts. It depicts that these 3 computer devices in peer-to-peer model has equal opportunity to access services and resources. So this type of network is referred as peer-to-peer network. Now let's discuss advantages and disadvantages of peer-to-peer network. First, advantages. Number 1, the system is easy to set up. We can make the system or peer-to-peer network easily. Number 2, it uses less cables and hardware and labor, therefore it is cheap. We don't need more administration for the system. Number 3, equal distributed security system. It means that all the computer devices connected in the system has equal opportunity and has individual responsibility for backups and security. Number 4, each computer has full rights for services, therefore no dependency. It means that since all has equal powers, so they don't depend on each other. So these are the advantages. Now let's see the disadvantages. Number 1, since security system is distributed, therefore not secure as client server, you can say that the security system is distributed among all the devices that are connected, so it is less secure than the client server. So this is the disadvantage. Number 2, backups is the responsibility of each computer. Here, each computer connected in the network need to back up their files. So this is one of the disadvantage. Number 3, it is difficult to manage files stored in them. Here, each computer has backup capacity. Therefore, to manage all the files from each computer is difficult. Number 4, it is less reliable than client server. Since the security system is not controlled by the main server, therefore it is less reliable. So these are the disadvantages of peer-to-peer network. Let's move on to the next now. Now let's see the differences between client-server network and peer-to-peer network. In client-server network, number 1, server has all the control ability, whereas in peer-to-peer network, all computers have equal ability. It means that all the control is on server in the client-server network, whereas in peer-to-peer network, the control is controlled by individual computers. Number 2, it is easy to manage, it is hard to manage. It means that in client-server network, server can manage client's computer easily, whereas in peer-to-peer network, it is hard to manage each and every computer connected in the device, in the network. Number 3, it is used in small and large networks, whereas peer-to-peer network is used in small networks only. Number 4, security is controlled by server only, whereas in peer-to-peer network, security system is distributed among all. So there are 4 differences we discussed right now here. By this, today's video came to an end. So thank you very much.